Sailing for Hatchet Bay. We're probably averaging about 6 knots. 18 to 20 knots of wind or so. And we're close hauled and beating into the chop in the weather. And it's kind of rough, but it's very enjoyable for me. You see Chili's doing fairly well. Caitlin's down below making burritos, so she's doing pretty well. And it's just good stuff. I'm very happy to be here. Look out here, we're in a little unofficial race with this guy. Let's see if I can find him. Yeah, they are. Yeah, he's out there. And my philosophy is that anytime 2 sailboats are on the same point of sail, they're racing. It does not get much better than this. Woo-hoo! That was a big one. A little bit rough. 18 knots of wind and 5862 boat speed over ground. And we're hitting anywhere from 5 knots to 7 knots. Okay, sure. How about peanut butter and jelly sandwiches? How about on a tortilla? Peanut butter and jelly burritos. Trying to hold the horizon steady, give you an idea of how much heeled over we are.